Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna, and we're really happy you're listening today. If you enjoy learning English with simple daily topics like this, don't forget to subscribe so you can practice with us every time.
I'm Tom, and subscribing helps you stay motivated and never miss an episode, so you can keep improving your English little by little with us.
Today, we're talking about a topic everyone can relate to, your favorite season.
This is one of those topics that feels easy but is actually great for practicing real English.
Seasons are part of our daily life, and we talk about them often without realizing it.
When people meet, they usually start with the weather or the season, so this topic is very useful in real conversations.
Let's think about the 4 seasons first: spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Even if you already know these words, the important thing is explaining your opinion.
For example, you can say, "My favorite season is summer," and then pause.
After that pause, you add one simple reason.
Because I like sunny days and long evenings.
Then you can add what you usually do.
I go swimming, travel, or spend time with friends.
That already sounds like natural English.
Another way to talk about seasons is by describing the weather.
You can say, in my country, summer is very hot, or winter is cool and dry.
Weather words are very useful and easy to reuse.
Hot, cold, warm, cool, rainy, sunny, cloudy, windy.
You can practice by choosing one season and saying 3 weather words.
For example, autumn is cool, windy, and sometimes rainy.
Now let's add feelings, because feelings make your English more personal.
You can say, I feel relaxed in winter, or I feel energetic in spring.
Feelings help listeners understand you better.
You can also compare seasons, which is very common in daily speech.
Like, I like spring more than summer.
Or winter is colder than autumn.
You can even say, summer is too hot for me.
That shows your opinion clearly.
Let's try a small speaking activity.
Imagine someone asks you, what's your favorite season?
You answer in one sentence,
Then the other person asks, why?
and you answer with one reason.
After that, they ask, what do you usually do?
This simple question chain helps you speak longer.
You can practice this with a friend or alone by speaking out loud.
Another easy activity is talking about clothes.
In winter, I wear jackets, sweaters, and scarves.
In summer, I wear light clothes and sandals.
Clothing words are very useful in daily conversations.
You can also talk about food in each season.
In winter, I like hot soup and tea.
In summer, I enjoy cold drinks and ice cream.
Now your English sounds very natural.
Let's imagine a short role play.
Do you like summer or winter more?
I prefer summer because I enjoy outdoor activities.
What kind of outdoor activities?
I like walking, traveling, and taking photos.
This kind of practice builds confidence.
You can also talk about memories connected to seasons.
Summer reminds me of school holidays.
Winter reminds me of family time at home.
Memories help you speak without feeling stressed.
Even saying what you don't like is useful.
I don't like rainy days in autumn.
I don't like cold mornings in winter.
All of these are real English sentences.
So when you practice today, don't try to be perfect.
Just talk about your favorite season, your feelings, and your daily life.
The more you talk, the more confident you become.
And that's how simple topics help you improve your English naturally.
Now that we've talked about basic routines and feelings, let's explore more fun ways to practice English with your favorite season.
For example, you can talk about activities you do outdoors.
In summer, I go swimming, ride my bike, or play sports with friends.
In winter, I like building snowmen, drinking hot chocolate, or reading by the fireplace.
You can also talk about places you visit.
In autumn, I like going to parks to see the colorful leaves.
In spring, I enjoy visiting flower gardens and taking photos of flowers.
Talking about places helps you practice prepositions like in, at, on, near, and next to.
For example, I walk in the park, or I sit near the river to watch the sunset.
Another way to practice is asking questions to friends.
What's your favorite season? Why do you like it? What activities do you do?
You can even ask, which season do you dislike? Why?
Comparing seasons is also useful.
Summer is hotter than spring. Winter is colder than autumn.
Spring is more colorful than winter.
You can also talk about weather problems.
It's too hot to go outside in summer. I stay indoors or drink cold water.
It's too cold in winter. I wear many layers and stay warm inside.
These sentences are very natural in daily conversation.
Another fun activity is describing smells and sounds.
In spring, I smell flowers and hear birds singing.
In autumn, I smell fallen leaves and hear the wind blowing.
In winter, I hear snow crunching under my shoes and the wind howls outside.
These sensory words make your English richer and more interesting.
You can also share funny or memorable stories from each season.
One summer, I went to the beach and forgot my sunscreen. I got very sunburned.
One winter, I slipped on ice and fell, but luckily I wasn't hurt.
Talking about real experiences makes speaking English feel more natural.
Another activity is role-playing conversations.
For example,
What do you usually do in summer?
I swim, ride a bike, and visit my friends.
Do you like winter too?
Yes, but I prefer summer because it's warm and I can go outside more.
You can also ask advice questions.
What should I do if it's too hot?
Drink water, wear light clothes, and stay in the shade.
What should I do if it's too cold?
Wear a warm jacket, scarf, and gloves.
Talking about advice gives you more vocabulary and makes conversations longer.
You can also discuss clothing and fashion in each season.
In summer, I wear shorts and a t-shirt.
In autumn, I wear a jacket and scarf.
In winter, I wear a coat, gloves, and a hat.
Talking about clothes is useful because people often ask about it in real life.
Another fun activity is food and drinks in each season.
In winter, I enjoy hot chocolate and soup.
In summer, I like ice cream and cold drinks.
In autumn, I enjoy warm pumpkin soup and roasted chestnuts.
Talking about food helps you practice adjectives like hot, cold, sweet, sour, spicy, and fresh.
Another activity is talking about special days or festivals in each season.
In summer, I like national holidays and going to the beach.
In winter, I celebrate holidays with family and friends at home.
In spring, I enjoy flower festivals and outdoor markets.
These sentences make your English more interesting and cultural.
You can also practice asking follow-up questions.
What do you usually eat in summer?
Ice cream, fruit, and cold drinks.
What about winter?
Hot chocolate, soups, and baked food.
Small follow-up questions make conversations flow naturally.
Another fun activity is describing a perfect day in your favorite season.
A perfect summer day. I wake up early, eat breakfast, go swimming, meet friends in the afternoon, and watch the sunset in the evening.
A perfect winter day, I wake up, drink hot chocolate, read a book by the fireplace, and then go outside to play in the snow.
You can also make it interactive with friends.
Ask your friend, describe your perfect day in your favorite season.
This makes your practice longer and more fun.
Another thing is describing feelings.
I feel relaxed and happy in spring.
I feel cozy and peaceful in winter.
Talking about feelings helps your English sound natural and personal.
Another activity is mini storytelling about mistakes or funny events.
One summer, I forgot my sunscreen and got very sunburned.
One winter, I slipped on ice and fell, but laughed a lot afterwards.
Sharing these stories is natural and makes conversation longer.
You can also compare your energy levels. In spring, I feel energetic and active, but in autumn, I feel calm and relaxed.
Another idea is discussing outdoor activities.
In summer, I like swimming, cycling, and picnics with friends.
In winter, I enjoy skiing, snowball fights, or sitting by the fireplace with a warm drink.
Seasonal activities are very relatable and easy to talk about.
You can also describe places.
The park looks beautiful in spring with colorful flowers and singing birds.
The mountains in winter are magical when covered with snow.
Describing places gives you a chance to practice adjectives and prepositions.
You can also talk about clothing choices.
In summer, I wear t-shirts, shorts, and sandals.
In winter, I wear jackets, scarves, gloves, and hats.
Talking about clothing is practical because people often ask about it in real life.
Food is another fun topic.
In summer, I love eating ice cream, fresh fruit, and cold drinks.
In winter, I enjoy hot chocolate, soups, and baked desserts.
Talking about food and drinks adds variety to your English.
Another activity is talking about festivals or holidays.
In summer, I go to beach parties and national holiday celebrations.
In winter, I celebrate Christmas and New Year with family and friends.
You can also connect feelings to festivals.
I feel happy and excited in summer festivals.
I feel cozy and peaceful in winter celebrations.
Another idea is mini role plays.
Which season do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy spring because I love seeing flowers bloom.
What do you usually do in spring?
I go for walks, take photos, and enjoy the fresh air.
You can also practice problems.
In summer, it's too hot to sleep sometimes.
In winter, it's hard to wake up in the morning because it's cold.
Discussing problems helps you practice everyday English naturally.
Another activity is asking advice.
What should I do if it's too hot in summer?
Stay in the shade, drink water, and wear light clothes.
What should I do if it's too cold in winter?
Wear layers, drink hot drinks, and stay warm indoors.
Another fun activity is mini storytelling.
Yesterday in summer, I went to the park, forgot my sunscreen, and got sunburned.
Last winter, I slipped on ice but laughed at myself and drank hot chocolate to warm up.
Sharing stories like this is entertaining and natural.
You can also ask questions to a friend.
What's your favorite season? Why do you like it? What do you do in that season? What don't you like about it?
Asking questions like this helps conversations flow longer.
You can even describe sounds and smells.
In spring, I hear birds singing and smell fresh flowers.
In autumn, I hear leaves crunch under my feet and smell the cool, fresh air.
In winter, I hear snow crunching and the wind blowing.
Talking about senses makes your English richer and more interesting.
You can also do a listener practice activity.
Think about your favorite season. Describe a perfect day from morning to night. Include activities, feelings, food, and clothing.
Try recording your voice or talking to a friend to practice speaking naturally.
Another tip is to make comparisons.
Summer is hotter than spring, but I like spring more because it's less crowded.
Winter is colder than autumn, but I enjoy it more because of holidays and cozy evenings.
You can also add memories.
Summer reminds me of my school holidays and family trips.
Summer reminds me of celebrating holidays with family at home.
Memories help you speak longer and make your English personal.
Another fun activity is describing unusual or funny events.
One summer, I forgot my sunglasses and it was too bright to walk outside.
One winter, I wore 2 different socks by accident and laughed all day.
These little stories make speaking English more enjoyable and memorable.
Another way to practice is to ask follow-up questions.
Why do you like summer? Because I can go outside and have fun.
What about winter?
Because I like relaxing at home and drinking hot drinks.
Asking follow-up questions keeps conversations going naturally. Now that we've talked about activities, routines, and memories in each season, let's focus on sharing what we've learned with others.
Yes, you can tell your friends or family about your favorite season, explain why you like it, and what you usually do.
For example, I love autumn because the weather is cool, the leaves are colorful, and I enjoy walking in the park.
Then your friend might ask, "What do you usually do in autumn?" And you can answer, "I take photos, drink tea, and enjoy the quiet mornings."
Sharing like this is not only good English practice, but also fun and relatable.
You can ask others about their favorite seasons, listen carefully, and respond with questions like, "Why do you like it?" or "What activities do you do?"
Another tip is to practice online. You can leave comments on posts or videos about seasons in English.
For example, I like summer because I enjoy swimming and going to the beach. What's your favorite season?
This is a safe way to practice writing and interacting with other English learners.
You can also share your experiences with classmates or family using simple sentences. I went hiking in spring and it was amazing.
And remember, mistakes are completely okay. People will understand, and you'll learn faster this way.
Another activity is making short videos or audio recordings describing your favorite season.
You can say what you do, how you feel, what you eat, and even tell a small story.
Listening to your own recording helps improve pronunciation, confidence, and fluency.
Let's practice asking for opinions.
Do you like summer or winter? I prefer summer because I enjoy being outdoors.
Do you like summer or winter? I prefer summer because I enjoy being outdoors.
What activities do you usually do? I go to the park, ride my bike, and sometimes travel.
These conversations make your English very natural.
You can also compare your favorite season with others. I like autumn more than spring because it's cooler and the leaves are beautiful.
I like autumn more than spring because it's cooler and the leaves are beautiful.
Winter is colder than autumn, but I enjoy it more because of holidays and family time.
Another tip is to talk about problems or challenges.
Summer can be too hot to sleep, so I stay indoors in the afternoon.
Summer can be too hot to sleep, so I stay indoors in the afternoon.
Winter mornings are cold, but I drink hot tea and wear warm clothes to stay comfortable.
Talking about problems adds real-life English to your practice.
Another activity is describing a perfect day in your favorite season.
My perfect day in summer: wake up early, go swimming, meet friends, have ice cream, and watch the sunset.
My perfect day in winter: wake up, drink hot chocolate, read a book, go outside to play in the snow, and have dinner with family.
Sharing your perfect day allows you to use time words, feelings, activities, and even foods together.
Another tip is to ask follow-up questions when talking to friends.
Why do you like autumn? Because I feel relaxed and the scenery is beautiful.
What activities do you enjoy? I like walking in the park, taking photos, and enjoying tea in the evenings.
Asking follow-up questions keeps conversations flowing naturally and helps you speak longer.
Now it's your turn. Try sharing your favorite season with someone today. Tell them why you like it, what you usually do, how it makes you feel, and even a funny or memorable story.
And if you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to share this podcast with your friends. Comment below about your favorite season and subscribe to keep learning with us every time.
Sharing helps your friends practice English too. Commenting gives you a chance to use English online, and subscribing keeps you motivated to learn with us every time.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep talking about your favorite season, explore new activities, practice your English every day, and enjoy your learning journey.